If you're not quite sure if you have been approved and you're trying to figure out how, this is the video that you want to watch. Let's dive into this. I'm going to show you exactly how the process goes and give you some insight so you can know if you're approved for the Amazon Influencer Program. So with the Amazon Influencer Program, it is one of the hottest side hustles that's going on right now. In our community, we're seeing people regularly pull in commissions, 200, 300, 400, thousands of dollars. But how do you get in there to be one of those players so you can start doing that? You need to get approved first, hence why you're watching this video. I'm going to be showing you a couple of tips that you can use to know if you're approved, as well as explaining the process so you can learn a little bit more about it if you're on your journey, and also so you can know what to expect. Being approved for Amazon commissions is an amazing thing, but you got to get there. One of the first things that you are going to look for to find out if you're approved, and I'm going to make sure I include the link in the description box so you can know exactly what you need to click on, is that you want to go to your Amazon storefront. When you go to your storefront, you want to click on your storefront and you're going to check that link. In the top right hand corner, I'm going to make sure I have an image over here. In the top right hand corner, you're going to see a lock, and it's going to be a blue lock. What you are looking for, if you are approved, is it for it to be unlocked. Locked means you're not approved. Unlocked means you are approved. Make sure you are seeing that. That is one of the big ways that you can find out if you're approved for Amazon on-site commissions. Let me make sure I repeat this. Go to the Amazon Influencer Storefront, check in the top right hand corner, and you're going to see a lock, but it's going to have a lock on it or unlocked. It's going to say receive commissions. Look for that. That's one of the fastest ways that you can find out if you're approved for it. The next way you can find out if you're approved for Amazon Influencer on-site commissions is when you go to your storefront, you're going to see a message pop up. And it's going to be a beautiful message. Trust me, if you've seen it before or if you're about to see it, you're going to be excited. It's going to say, congratulations, you're approved. It only comes up one time. Now, I've seen people talk about this on their mobile, but they also see it on desktop. I've only seen it on desktop. So I'm only going to speak to my experiences, but you're going to see this screen. Once it comes up once, you don't see it again. I saw that screen one time, and in my haste, I wasn't paying any attention. I clicked off of it. It's like, oh my gosh, did I see that? And it was gone. But I did check on that screen on my storefront and found out that I was unlocked, so I was starting to receive on-site commissions. Those are the fastest two ways you can find out if you are receiving commissions. With that being said, I want to talk about how it can appear that you are approved for commissions. One of the ways that I've been seeing people in our community almost kind of be led astray is that when they are noticing that they've uploaded the videos, and it's a 3-step process to apply for approvals. Number one, you need to make sure that you're an Amazon associate. Amazon Associates Program, if you have any questions about this, by the way, check in the description box right down below. We have a link that shows you a guide to get started with the Amazon Associates Program. You need to be an Amazon associate. We show you exactly how to do that. We keep it very simple. Number one of the process. Number two, once you are approved for Amazon Associates, so that way you can send out links and directing traffic to the products that you're recommending, you need to submit 3 review videos. And these review videos are going to be about products that you own in your home. You don't have to show your face. You can if you like to, but you don't have to. But you select 3 products, whether showing your face or not. We recommend no soundtrack. We recommend lots of different things. And if you have lots of questions or you at that process, you want some help, I created a video that can help you know exactly what you need to do to get approved. And the third step is to wait. When we start looking at members, our community members dashboard, and they're trying to see like, hey, I'm approved for Amazon commissions, I haven't made any money. When we check their dashboard, we are not seeing a lock. Not that we're physically checking ourselves, but they will say, I still see it locked. That means you have not unlocked commissions. So number one is to visually check. The second thing, on your dash, it's going to show the percentage viewed once videos have been uploaded. When you upload videos, first it goes into the process where it will be uploaded and it starts processing in. The next step is a human reviews your video. Just because they've reviewed your video doesn't mean that you've been accepted into the program. It could be showing a different view percentage. It could show maybe 80%, 20%. It can show different viewing percentages. We're not quite sure why. It could be a glitch. But until that process has been approved, you are not receiving commissions. Please don't mistake people viewing your video as receiving commissions. I don't want your feelings hurt, but we've seen it way too many times. Those methods that I was talking about at the beginning are the surefire ways to know that you have been approved for Amazon on-site commissions. Make sure you know this. because not only will you not receive commissions, it means you're not going to get paid, so we don't want you doing that, making content for things that have not been approved yet, but also because what happens if you start uploading videos, and let's just say you haven't been confused, it confuses the algorithm. If they only want 3 videos, and if you upload, let's say 6 because you think you're approved and you haven't checked, they're not going to know which 3 to pick. They could pick 3 at random, which means you could be automatically denied. And remember, with influencer, it's all 3 get in or none get in. Meaning 2 of the videos could be great, 1 of the videos could not, you're not getting in. So make sure you keep your efforts working for you. But these are the surefire ways you can know if you're approved for the Amazon Influencer Program. If you got any questions, leave a comment, give a like. We're here to help you. If you got any more questions, again, leave a comment. We're here to help. This is not something where we're charging people. We just want more people to get it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've been approved. If you have not been approved, check out my other video to show you how you can get approved.